Once an individual makes the decision to become a competitor in combat sports, whether in boxing or in MMA, eventually they reach a level of competition where it gets very serious and they're gonna have to decide, is this just a hobby I'm gonna leave in the past before it gets too dangerous? Or am I gonna dedicate my life to pursuing a career where less than 1% of people are successful and the stakes are extremely high? And to get to that 1%, you have to be a very special individual. And throughout my 20-something years of coaching, I've noticed two main personality types that consistently rise to the occasion and withstand the test of time. And ironically, they're completely opposite, but the one common denominator is they refuse to lose and they are 100% committed to winning and being the best. And the first one is basically, this is my opinion, an extroverted, narcissistic type that was always looked at as special regardless of whatever they did. You can always tell they were gonna be successful. They just were born with this, that it, you know what I mean? That Michael Jordan, that Kobe Bryant, that special energy. You can just see it in their eyes. Their eyes glow. They have to be the best. And their ego will not let them fail. And they're fighting for themselves. The other person is the total opposite. Introverted, maybe never was really taken serious. Nobody really knew what they were gonna do with themselves. And then one day something triggered them to fight for a cause, not for themselves, but for another person or a cause. And basically they have dedicated their life to being a warrior and being successful for a reason that's selfless, you know what I mean? And they will stop at nothing to be successful because they don't want to let their people down. And in my opinion, if you are not one of these two type of personalities, eventually these are the people that's going to beat you. But anyway, that's my opinion. You tell me what you think in the comment section. In the meantime, like, subscribe, share. Go check out my online courses out now. Link is in the description. And go check me on Instagram at coach.v_. Till the next time, we out here. Out.